Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how I achieved a Bantu knot out using extra butter and shining star on blown out hair. With my hair divided into large sections, I'm going to start with just a dime size or larger amount of the extra butter and massage that into my hair from roots to ends. Then I'll apply a little bit of the shining star and then use my detangling brush to make sure my hair is nice and smooth prior to installing my Bantu knot. I'm just going to twirl my hair to create the Bantu knot. I don't want my knot to be close to my scalp, so I'm going to use my thumb to create a space. This is going to keep it loose and give me more of an elongated look. It also helps when sleeping. It's not as uncomfortable if you leave a space and keep your roots nice and loose. Once I've completed the knot, I'm going to use a bobby pin just to secure the knot in place. And I'll just repeat this process for the remainder of my hair. The key and the focus of this Bantu knot is to make sure that I leave a good amount of space between my scalp and the Bantu knot. And here's a tip for you: in order for your Bantu knot to be successful, you want to make sure your ends are nice and smooth. So if you need to add a little bit of extra product, feel free to do so to make sure that it's smooth when you unravel your knot. I have about 15 Bantu knots total, and because I left my roots very loose, it's going to be easier for me to sleep. I'll just sleep with these in overnight and unravel the next morning. And because I did this on dry hair and didn't add any additional water, I don't have to worry about my hair not being dry at takedown. I'll start by removing all of the bobby pins from the Bantu knots. And I'll carefully unravel by twisting the Bantu knot in the opposite direction. I like to pull them so that it kind of loosens up while I continue to unravel the rest of the Bantu knots. I add a little bit of the shining star to my fingertips. This is going to help to minimize frizz as well as give a little bit of additional shine. I'm just going to separate starting at the roots and working my way down. Separate as much as you like to create the desired look. Then I just use my fingers to lift at the roots. I like that my roots are stretched because it gives it more of an elongated look. And if I saw any of the curls that needed to be separated, I just do that by pulling at the roots down to the ends. Then I just added 2 bobby pins on the side. And that's it. Really simple way to add some really gorgeous curls to your blown out hair without using any additional heat. Let me know what you think about this style in the comment section below. And here are a couple of pictures of the finished look. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!